Every real estate transaction teaches us something new, not just about the market, but about people, emotions, and how much strength it takes to stand firm for what's right. This recent sale at 8 Christian Drive in East Brunswick was one of those reminders. From day one, this listing was about strategy, pricing it right, marketing it well, and managing expectations. We listed it at 890,000, and within 7 days, I had multiple offers on the table. We went under contract at 935,000. That's 5.1% over asking, and closed in exactly 30 days. That didn't happen by chance. It happened because I stayed focused on the data, the process, and my client's best interest. No distractions, no shortcuts. But what really tested me was what came after the contract: inspections, negotiations, and personalities. In real estate, you just don't sell homes, you manage emotions, egos, and expectations. This deal reminded me how critical it is to stay calm, professional, and factual, especially when things get messy. I have learned that you can't let someone else's emotion pull you off course. My job is to protect my client, not to please everyone in the room. My biggest strength as an agent is composure. No matter how intense things get, I don't react, I respond. That difference changes everything. When emotions rise, people react. When clarity leads, people listen. And even when others push boundaries or test your patience, staying grounded earns you something much more valuable than a commission. It earns you respect. So, if you are thinking about selling your home, know this: you deserve an agent who not only markets your home, your property, but also protects your peace of mind. Every move I make is thoughtfully calculated because real estate isn't just about houses. It's about people, trust, and standing your ground when it matters the most. I'm Rupa Nampally with Remax Salad, and this was more than a sale. It was a reminder that strength, strategy, and integrity always pays off.